Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather week ahead here on KTALnews.com. And you can see we did have the severe thunderstorm watch that was issued earlier for the northern sections of the Arklatex. Those thunderstorms did weaken as they moved into the area, haven't caused any severe weather issues, and the strongest of the storms now moving out of the Arklatex. And it looks like most of the rain will follow suit as we will become dry for most of the area for the rest of the day. Now, we will continue to see a chance for some scattered showers and thunderstorms during the course of the next few days. As we look at the overall weather pattern, you can see the upper level ridge here centered over the southwestern sections of Texas. Looks like we have this last complex moving through. There's some question now as to whether or not we'll see another complex move through tomorrow, although it does look possible that we could see some rain over the northeastern half of the Arklatex, and that will be the case for Friday as well. As far as severe weather risk, Storm Prediction Center indicating a marginal risk here for really the eastern half of the area, anywhere you see green here, northwest Louisiana, southwest Arkansas. But within this area, it looks like it's going to be this part of the region where we could see perhaps a few strong storms tomorrow. But again, marginal means that any severe weather should be isolated. As we look ahead to Friday, we're probably going to be looking at the biggest threat of severe weather to the east of the Arklatex, as we will see that marginal risk again over the northeastern sections of the area. So let's take you through the next few days here with Robin Stoyota Futurecast, and you can see that tonight, possibility that we will see a partly to mostly cloudy sky and a few storms that could move into the northern sections of the area very late tonight. That activity will move south and east through the northeast half of the area. Now again, placement is something that very well could change, and the HRRR model, at least the run coming in right now, does not show this area of rain, so it's not yet set in stone. And as we go through tomorrow night, we'll see the partly cloudy sky with, again, another one of these areas of thunderstorms moving into the northern sections of the area. That activity should weaken Friday morning. We could see some more scattered storms develop as the frontal system that we've been talking about is going to be working its way southward into the area Friday afternoon and bringing with it that chance for the scattered shower or thunderstorm. Rainfall potential. Most of the rain that we're going to see here in the next 10 days will happen here during the next few days. And you can see that generally speaking, half an inch or less is what we're looking at if you even get any rain. And it's possible, you can see these little pockets of green, that we could see pockets where we pick up over an inch of rain, but those should be relatively isolated in nature. Now, longer range, we will settle into hot and dry as the upper level ridge will play a big role in that. You can see the ridge out to the west of us by Friday. It will strengthen back over the Arklatex by the time we get to the beginning of next week. We very well could see temperatures up into the upper 90s to close to 100 degrees as soon as Sunday. And then we'll see this ridge kind of meander around the southern sections of the country through the middle part of next week, and this will be big enough to keep us dry towards the end of the week. There is some indication that we could see a few disturbances move along the bottom of this ridge of circulation, maybe bringing a very small chance of rain, but the heat will continue. And with the ridge here by the end of next week pretty much over the top of us, that means we could see some of the hottest temperatures in the next 10 days, beginning and end of this week. So here's a look at your forecast for tonight and tomorrow's. Tonight we will see a partly cloudy sky across the area. Temperatures will mainly be in the low to middle 70s, looking at 72 in Shreveport, 76 degrees in Shreveport. Tomorrow, looking at a few scattered thunderstorms. Again, the rainfall chances highest the farther north and east you live. Notice Deep East Texas, 20%, 30% in Shreveport. Further to the north and east, 40%. So that's where the storms could be a little bit more numerous tomorrow. Highs will range from the mid to upper 80s north to the low to middle 90s over the south and west, as we'll see 94 in Shreveport, 88 degrees for the high tomorrow in Texarkana, 95 in Natchitoches, 94 in Center. 10-day forecast will feature the hottest temperatures of the summer easily so far, as we'll be at 97 Friday, depending on the timing and location of the rain. 97 Saturday, and then 99 for Sunday, triple digits, a possibility for Monday. We stay in the upper 90s through all of next week. And again, any one of these days in the upper 90s, we very well could hit 100 and we could hit 100 again as we go into next weekend with very little as far as rain once we get past this Friday. So again, a little bit of rain for the next few days, followed by perhaps, at least in Shreveport, the first 100-degree day in 2 years. Could be on the way here during the course of the next 10 days.